cam. Yeah.
That's my motorcycle design.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's totally cool.
You can see all these up on YouTube.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Totally cool.
Yeah, when you build them, you got to document them on your engineering forum. They always want to see proof of life.
Oh. Here's the starter?
Yep.
Holy cow. That's totally cool.
They do 1, 2, 3, and 4 cylinder engines.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Cool. Can you rev it up or anything?
No, they're fixed.
Okay.
So they'll stall out if you give it any throttle there. There ain't no timing advance, and
So you made all these parts?
all the parts, I make everything except the ignition, points, spark plugs,
Yeah.
and the timing set, the gear from the crankshaft to the camshaft.
Okay.
I've purchased all that.
Okay.
Everything else is hand done. The distributor cap, that's PVC end cap over at Home Depot. So, and a lot of the carburetors are from like model airplanes, but I've been starting to make my own there. They work pretty good too. It's more of a fuel mixer rather than a carburetor, because you set them and forget them there to maintain an RPM.
Never seen anything
Thank you.
like that. That is cool.
Thank you.